Okay, I'm in my terminal and I have the Firebase CLI installed, but I noticed that I don't have tab completion when I type Firebase. So for instance, if I want to see which accounts I'm logged in, it doesn't, when I click tap, it doesn't give me the right tab completion. So I wonder if I could use Gemini CLI to help me write a completion script for Firebase CLI. Let's see. Could you create a completion script for the Firebase CLI that I've installed and update my Z shell script so that I could use tab completion when I use the Firebase CLI. And now it's telling me it has completed a custom completion script of Firebase CLI. Sure. So the first solution that Gemini CLI came up with, it worked partially. When I type Firebase emulators followed by tab, I see, do I want to see all 475 possibilities? But instead, I want to see Firebase emulators, :storage, Firebase emulators, UI, etc. How do I make that happen? This is my second prompt to Gemini CLI, which I did not record. But after a bunch of reasoning about it, Gemini CLI made a bunch of changes. Oh, I see the colon, and it's telling me I have some options. So if I say storage, it's not all correct. No, I think maybe it is all correct. Yeah, I say emulators are start, and it's able to at least do the completion for me. Projects, project list. So at least the auto completion part is working. Let me just try one more. Firebase is a login. Login. It's working for some of the commands, but not all of them. So it was working for the CLI, all the CLI commands except for CLI administrative commands like login, CI, login, use. I'm going to prompt Gemini CLI to try again. Okay, the completion script is working for all the Firebase CLI commands except for some special ones in the administrative commands. When I type Firebase login, I was expecting to see login, CI, login, add, login, list, and login, use. Are there any special ones for projects? For Firebase projects, is it projects? But I don't see those prompts. describing is what I see here. See, when I say Firebase, all the other ones are working. This is working. App hosting, that's working. There's a real-time database. This is working. But for logging, for some reason, when I say tab, it goes back to the wrong tab confusion. Let's see how Gemini CLI fixes this. It's updating these function. Oh, interesting. So it added some line. Okay. Added some line. Target. Let's see. Okay. It claims that it has completed the work, but let's double check things. Oh, I say login. Oh, there we go. It works. Now everything's working as intended. I'm glad using basically 3 commands to Gemini CLI, I am able to build a completion script from scratch. And if I want to take a look at the script, I can probably share the script with the world. Look at it. I know it's gonna need some maintenance as the CLI gets up, updates, but here it is. It has everything. How do I go to the end of the file? Yeah, that's the end of. That's all of it.